Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Access Arabic. Today we will continue our series in which we are learning to recite the glorious Quran. We've been working on some tajwid rules. In the previous videos, we've learnt that whenever we come across a noon, sukun or tanween, we must look at the next letter. And one of the following four rules will apply. Idgham, merging. Idhar, to make clear. Iqlab, to change. And ikhfa, to hide. In the next set of videos, we're going to learn the rules of meme sukun. So whenever we are reading the glorious Quran and we see a meme sukun, we must look at the next letter and some special rules will apply. For the purposes of this series, there are three special rules, so let's break this down, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, amma ba'd. We will start this lesson inshallah with this example here. Inna rabbahum bihim. Inna rabbahum hum. Here we have meme sukun. So that means we must look at the next letter. What is the next letter? The next letter is a ba. And that's the focus of this lesson. Whenever we have a meme sukun followed by a ba, we must read it with ghunna for two harakat. This rule is called ikhfa shafawi, but for the time being you don't need to get bogged down with the names and technical terminology, as we will cover this in tajwid inshallah. But what you do need to know is that whenever you have a meme sukun, we must look at the next letter. If the next letter is a ba, then you must read it with ghunna for two harakat, as follows. Inna rabbahum bihim. Can you hear? I'm doing ghunna for two harakat. Rabbahum bihim. Rabbahum bihim. Inna rabbahum bihim. Now let's look at the next example inshallah. Tarmihim him. Here we have another meme sukun. So that means we must look at the next letter. The next letter is a ba. I know this is ikhfa shafawi, so that means I must do ghunna for two harakat. Tarmihim bihijaratin. Once again, tarmihim bihijaratin. So in this video, we've learned that whenever we have a meme sukun, we must look at the next letter. If the next letter is a ba, then we must do ikhfa shafawi. This means we must read it with ghunna for two harakat. And with that, we'll end this lesson inshallah. I hope you've taken benefit from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share this with your friends and family. Share the gift of learning to read the Quran with them. Inshallah, you will get reward, I will get reward, and they will get reward. Let's all share the rewards together. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.